I'm Songbird, and I write songs in Danish and in English, and I'm going to prove it right now. Du lille barn, du har så mange drømme, og jeg ønsker for dig, at de alle sammen bliver til mig. Du blev født ind i en verden, der ikke er for børn af kød og blod. Døgnflue, du skal ikke være bange. Døgnflue, tag dit øjeblik, gør med det som du vil, så det kan blive lykkeligt, så det kan blive lykkeligt. Du er smukke sjæl, tag på det du kæmper for kærligheden i en verden fuld af had. Og for din mor, og fordi du går strømmen, mens alle andre følger et løgnesalderblad. Døgnflue, du skal ikke være bange. Døgnflue, tag dit øjeblik, gør med det som du vil, så det kan blive lykkeligt. Døgnflue, du skal ikke være bange. Døgnflue, tag dit øjeblik, gør med det som du vil, så det kan blive lykkeligt. Thanks for that. So that caught me red-handed buying red wine in Superbrusen on Nørrebrogade the other day. Loading it onto my bike. It wasn't for me. But this song is called That's Why I Drink. Sensitive, probably a dreamer, but that's just me trying to survive this crazy, crazy life that sometimes I wish that I could leave behind. Quite insecure, that's for sure. A troubadour, but that's just me trying to survive this crazy, crazy life that sometimes I wish that I could leave behind. And that's why I drink. I'm not the man that only thinks. I'm the captain of a ship about to sink 1,000,000 miles offshore, and it hurts too much to think. And that's why I drink. Too gullible, probably so vulnerable, but that's just me trying to survive this crazy, crazy life that sometimes I wish that I could leave behind. Insatiable, probably sensational, but That's just me trying to survive this crazy, crazy life that sometimes I wish that I could leave behind. And that's why I drink. I'm not the man at all they think. I'm the captain of a ship about to sink 1,000,000 miles offshore. And it hurts too much to think. And that's why I drink. That's why I drink. I'm not the man at all they think. I'm the captain of a ship about to sink 1,000,000 miles offshore. And it hurts too much to think. That's why